Canyon. Okay, this is Horseshoe Canyon, round 2. We're gonna go to Calgary, but scratch that. We're gonna go Horseshoe Canyon. Let's do the walk. Dog man. Big.
It's okay, it's just a little shy.
The world's longest tongue. Hey, world's longest tongue.
That's Birch. He's a big softie.
We're making our own way, just like in real life. Make your own path. Could be dangerous. That's the way I like it. Of course, I got the wrong shoes on. Brought my regular running shoes for this, but oh. This could be dangerous, but I like it like this. Could be dangerous, but I like it like this. Horseshoe Canyon. Whoa, there's some cool views there. Holy shit. Very cool. So we were up there. Let's keep going. To be continued. Okay, we got a little rest stop here. Little rest stop. So far, I like this Horseshoe Canyon better than the Hoodoos. It's a lot more of everything around here. But I'm gonna climb either up there. We got a whole big field trip of kids coming from down here, so this looks like a bigger hill. So we're gonna mosey on up there. Seems to be a big camp or field trip. Got some solo guys right there. One guy with a sweater on. That's dumb. It's too hot. We're gonna head up there. Yeah, man, this is a cool little adventure. Horseshoe Canyon, courtesy of Lindsay. Lindsay, who told me about this. I stopped in town. She told me about this spot. It's dope. Okay, time to scale the mountain. Okay, that's the end of the hike. On my way back up, found the kid's cell phone, and yeah, good karma all around. So that's the end of the hike, man. This one, Hoodoos 7.7 out of 10. This one, Horseshoe Canyon's dope. I give it 7.5 out of 10. Slightly better, more wiggle room, and no parking. So yeah, there's lots to explore here. Until the next adventure.